Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I am Excessive2, and what a nice day it is out. And California weather has been very chilly out, so as you can tell, it's pretty cold out right now. It's not as sunny, it's still kind of overcast, but yeah. You guys may have been wondering where I have been at. I have not been posting any videos lately. I've been busy. I promise that the videos will increase soon and the content will increase soon. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun on this channel, and I'm excited to do that with you guys. And yeah, we are just chilling right now. I'm at my mom's house. Guys, look, it's my mom's cat, Tiger. He wants to eat. Say hi to the vlog. No? Okay. Whatever. Yeah, what an amazing day out, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but something exciting, hopefully. Alright guys, so this is my oldest brother's TT, Audi TT, Quattro. As you can see, this thing is super nice and it probably has some good speed on it. And it is the S-Line Quattro TT, and it looks absolutely amazing with its body lines. And it has the package with the wing, and then the diffuser, the blacked out diffuser, and then the wheels, and I'm pretty sure the mirrors, and then the front has some part of that package that this TT has. And as you can tell, guys, for stock ride height, it is kind of lower, which is kind of cool that it has a lower suspension system, stock ride height. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of my brother's TT. And then this is the inside. Look at the key. The inside is very classy. It has the chrome S-Line on it. And then the TT shift knob. It doesn't have much space, but it is pretty nice with the aggressive gauges on it. It's a fun little car to drive. But yeah, that's the TT. But yeah, we might take it out for a spin just to drive it around and see how it drives. So let's do that. Alright guys, we are in the TT and we are in regular mode, and we are going to take it to a canyon run, and then we will switch it to sport mode and see how well it will perform. But right now, it's actually going pretty smooth without sport mode. So I'm excited to see what sport mode does. I like how like the wheel has a boxy feel right here at the bottom. I really like that about this car. And I can tell it's really compact and it's very nice. This is a really nice car. So we're gonna see how it drives. Alright guys, so we are closer to the back roads, and even without sport mode, it takes off and it accelerates super quickly, and the handling is super nice in this thing. Like when you turn it, the suspension system is so nice in this thing. Audi really outdid itself, so maybe I can turn sport mode on right now. Alright, the steering already stiffens up a little. Oh my god, this is super nice. It speeds up super fast. It's crazy. What do you think?
It's
What
pretty
do you guys
fast.
think about this car? Like, I know some people like the Audi R8, but I think this is the next step down. It's not up there with it, but it is pretty nice. Takes off super quick. The acceleration is just awesome in this car. And since it's the Quattro, I'm pretty sure that the performance is there. And, you know, all the classy packaging and whatnot in this car. So it just takes off super quick. And you can hear the engine is, or the exhaust is a little louder in sport mode. Oh my god. Ready? Yeah, this thing is definitely quick. You can feel that G-force ripping around in the back roads. Absolutely sick, guys. This thing is absolutely sick. One day, guys, something like this would be amazing to have. TT. This will definitely smoke the Veloster for sure. For sure, guys, it will definitely smoke the Veloster in the race. Like I said, the steering is amazing on this. The response, the brakes, everything. Yeah, guys, also, quick update on the Veloster. It does not have any mod upgrades. I would do a video on it if I did have a mod upgrade on it. So there's no updates on the Veloster. It is how it is right now. Ever since my Halloween video, and I did take off the decorations, so if you want to check out that video, it is my last video that I posted. So, but yeah, right now we're just reviewing my brother's TT Quattro for the S line, and so we just came back from the back roads, and it was pretty gnarly. Pretty sure this is an all-wheel drive, 2.0 liter, 4-cylinder. I think so, but sure takes off like a 6-cylinder. But it definitely outruns the Veloster. This is more of a sporty coupe. Mine is more of a hatchback. So now, guys, I'm not at all into Euro cars, but this is definitely one of the Euros that I would get on top of a BMW. So sorry, Mercedes, I would not get a Mercedes. Yeah, just the feel of this thing is super nice. Super classy, all the trim around in the interior. And the boxy steering wheel right here at the bottom. Super nice. Alright, the TT has its car cover back on, and that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the car review. Let me know if I should do more car review videos, and let me know if you guys like them. And please click that subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that is the turbocharged 2.0 liter 4-cylinder Audi TT Quattro. I am Excessive 2, and bye.